Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating basics that actually change performance. Update the GPU driver and reboot. Once done, switch your power plan to high performance and quit non-essential apps. This frees CPU and RAM immediately. Next, lower demanding in-game settings, resolution, shadows, post-processing, and render distance to trade visual fidelity for stable frames. You'll see why small drops in these settings often yield the biggest FPS gains. Keep an eye on temperatures while you do this to avoid thermal throttling. You now dig into measurement and targeted tweaks. Install a monitoring tool like MSI Afterburner and watch FPS, GPU temp, CPU usage, and RAM so you know what's bottlenecking. Once identified, adjust GPU settings. Try disabling VSync, set a reasonable power limit, and test modest core or memory clock increases. Small changes matter. Then optimize the OS, turn off full-screen optimizations for problematic games. Configure game mode sensibly, and remove unnecessary startup programs so resources stay available for play. You finish by validating changes. Run a benchmark or a stress test and compare average FPS plus 1% lows to confirm improvement. If improvements are limited, consider hardware upgrades. SSD for load behavior, more RAM for heavy multitasking, or a GPU upgrade for sustained frame rates. Once complete, make sure to save your stable profile. If stutters or drops persist, try the troubleshooting step. Roll back recent drivers or reset the game's config files, then retest to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.